No, walk around the long way. Don't scare them. Hey guys.
Me and Steve, here we are having fun.
Just don't
Kicking the geese out. There's a couple ducks.
No sudden move.
I'm good. We're gonna sit right here.
Hey guys.
Buddies.
Buddy boys.
They're friendly.
Sorry, ain't got no food today.
No food for you.
Guys,
here's me
corn.
and Steve. There's Steve maybe and
Did
me.
You have your cracked corn?
I had cracked corn and I don't care. We're going for about 45 seconds here, folks. Have a great day. This is where I'm at, the waterfall. It's beautiful. Oh, they're happy. They think we got food. We don't have nothing for them. Have a great day.